Hey everyone, I hope all is great and you're having a nice day today. If you're new here, welcome. Today's another edition of my room makeover videos where I'll be turning one of the existing rooms into a playroom. Now I know you may be thinking right now, why did I let my kids make this room a complete disaster? But I'm here to tell you guys the complete truth. Being a mom of 3 kids who are all under 5 years old, keeping a room tidy and neat is nearly impossible all of the time. This is what happens every now and then in a real view of behind the scenes. Now don't let this scare you if you're soon to be parent or want children someday. Trust me, they're all worth it and a tremendous blessing. I'm here today hopefully to give you some inspiration and motivation to tackle your very next project, and I'm also going to give this space a complete overhaul. Please stay through it all to see how we transformed and to see all of the details. A huge thank you to the Home Depot for sponsoring this video. To have completed the vision for my girls' playroom makeover, I couldn't have done it without the incredible unnecessary necessities that I found shopping online from the Home Depot. I'm sure many people out there watching would think that the Home Depot is just a tool and hardware store, but that's not true at all, you guys. I've got some awesome things to share with you all. They literally have endless options of decor that's only online, and I'm so amazed of what I've been able to find. The timing of this makeover is also so perfect because it's such a special time in our lives. I know many of you watching can remember when I announced my first pregnancy with my daughter years ago. Can you believe we just enrolled her into kindergarten? With her going to learn and me giving her and her sister's space a makeover, the Home Depot actually has a back-to-class promotion going on right now that includes furniture, bedding, and decor. I knew I wanted a fiddle leaf tree in a corner of their playroom to create an organic and cozy environment. This one was so beautiful that I had to have it when I first saw it online. I quickly took advantage of this promotion that's running and ordered several items from their website, and you'll see how they really made this space come to life. I couldn't click fast enough to add this adorable bunk bed into the cart, you guys. We went on vacation to the mountains last year and we stayed at a resort that had a bunk bed. Our girls got so much joy and excitement sleeping on it, it was on our list to eventually get one for them. You all wouldn't believe how many times my girls asked when the room was going to be finished so they could sleep in it, play, study, and have tons of fun. I know my girls will be sleeping their 8 hours like princesses in this bed to even out the backpack carrying they will be doing every day. The Home Depot is a trusted brand for home improvement, and customers get the same experience when they shop furniture and decor for their DIY projects or home furnishings. This was exactly the experience for me. I absolutely love everything I shopped online for and admire the quality and know they will last for years to come. Shopping online gets even better because it saved me time, and there's also free delivery and flexible return options. This exclusive back-to-class promotion I have shared with you all today, where you can save up to 25% ends on August the 16th. I also picked up 2 of these beautiful light pink floral decorative pillows to match the theme of this room, which is a floral garden. My girls and I love flowers, and I love how it ties in with the room together. There has never been a better time to put together a class or room makeover, office space, or complete home furnishing update. To check out the items I've shown here today and to browse the vast assortment of on-trend products across different styles only on the Home Depot, make sure to click the link in my description box. I can assure you will definitely find the perfect pieces to help you complete your next project as it did for mine. Now let me show you how it all came together. I want to say thank you so much to my supporters who stayed and watched until the end and for being here today. This edition of my room makeovers has become one of the most special ones for me. It's extra special because it's for my daughters. Seeing the joy in their eyes and being able to do this for them is heartwarming as a parent. They will one day be able to look back and see what mommy and daddy did for them. If you have a space for yourself that needs updating or have gotten ideas today for a loved one, I hope you enjoyed today's video and look forward to hearing your comments. To save and take advantage of the promotion I mentioned earlier, don't forget to visit the link I left for you in the description box below. This will take you directly to the Home Depot site for these products and promotion. I'm so happy with how it all turned out, but I'm even more thankful that my little girls love this space to relax, have fun, and most importantly, learn. Let me know what your favorite part of this room makeover is in the comments. This concludes my girls' playroom makeover. I hope you all enjoyed it and I look forward to sharing more videos soon. I'll talk to you all in my next one. Take care.